Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Nacho King franchise business ideas. It was April 1995 when Mike Singh and his high school best friend Teddy Manotoc first established their first Nacho King outlet in SM North. And through its growing demand and popularity, they later opened doors for franchising in 1997. Nacho King is one of the pioneers of spreading Mexican food on the Philippines through the distribution of their nacho products. Learn how to become a part of Nacho King's chain of franchises and the benefits it brings to you as a franchisee. The Nacho King products: nachos, classic tortilla chips, white corn tortilla chips, Nacho Crispies Yummy Barbecue, Nacho Crispies Cheesy Delights, Nacho Crispies Delights, Nacho Beef Barbacoa, and Nacho Cheesy Pimiento. For the dips, they have beefy salsa dip, chunky salsa dip, and Silipeño dip. For the franchise application procedure: Number 1. Submit letter of intent and franchise application forms. Number 2. Evaluation and approval. Number 3. Location and financial presentation and approval. Number 4. Contract signing and payment of fees. And lastly, number 5. Store opening. For the kiosk franchise package, the estimated investment is ranging from 400,000 pesos to 500,000 pesos. The franchise fee is worth 130,000 pesos. For the franchise package inclusions: Number 1. Store kiosk. Number 2. Equipment and operating materials. Number 3. Franchise and setup fees. Number 4. Initial hiring and training cost. Number 5. Pre-opening marketing cost. And number 6. Rental advances and security deposits. For the return on investment, the projected ROI is achieved through several factors, and these are good brand promotion in its trade area, cost management, and the ability to do sales building activities. Consistently doing these activities can recover the investment in 2 to 3 years. What you can expect as a Nacho King franchisee: Number 1. Reputable brand name. Number 2. Provision of quality supplies and ingredients by the company. Number 3. Tried and tested business systems. Number 4. Recruitment, training, marketing, and operating assistance. Number 5. Fixed royalty fees. For the potential location: for undecided individuals, you may scout the following locations to help you decide where to establish your own Nacho King kiosk. It may be at SM Supermalls, Walter Mart, Save More, Ayala Malls, or Robinsons Malls. For the frequently asked questions: Question number 1. What is the floor area requirement? Answer: the required floor area is 5 square meters as minimum. Question number 2. I don't have a location. Can I still apply for a franchise? Answer: yes. Once approved as a franchisee, Nacho King can recommend or match existing locations that they have. Question number 3. Who looks for the location? Answer: the franchisee shall look and propose for his own location and subject to assessment and approval by Nacho King. However, the company may also recommend its approved and available sites, if any, to approved franchise applicant. Question number 4. Can I apply for several locations? Answer: yes. Nacho King is also open for area or territory franchise. Please approach franchising director for more information. Question number 5. How long is the franchise term? Answer: the franchise term 3 years and renewable for another 3 years. Question number 6. Who will do the store design and where do I purchase the equipment and store materials? Answer: Nacho King have its standard design and accredited contractor or supplier where you can purchase all the needed pre-opening materials. You will be introduced and assisted by their operations representative. Question number 7. Who will manage the store setup and ingress? Answer: you. The franchisee will take the lead in setting up and ingress supported by Nacho King Support Group. This will include also the business permits and licenses. Question number 8. Who will provide and supply the products and packaging? Answer: Nacho King will supply all products that you need for selling, including packaging. Question number 9. Is there any training program provided and how long? Answer: yes, you and your staff will have at least 14 days training in one of Nacho King's store. Question number 10. What type of support will Nacho King will extend to its franchisees who will do the branch marketing? Answer: aside from brand promotions and advertising, you will be visited and guided by their operations representative in order to monitor your business performance and mentor you as needed. You, the franchisee, shall be active in doing local branch marketing activities and promotions to stay connected with your local market and community. For the contact details, you may contact Nacho King Corporation Headquarters with the address 343 Poblete Compound, West Service Road, Barangay San Valley, Parañaque City, with the mobile number 63917-560-9336 or 63998-595-5270. You can visit their website at nachoking.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at The Real Nacho King. You can also visit Pasig Head Office with the address number 90 P.E. Antonio Street, Tao Corporate Center, Barangay Ugong, Pasig City. You may call their telephone number 028-836-5850. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Nacho King Franchise Business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.